Everything I do it with a passion. Ain't nothing gonna stop me from making it happen.
Hey guys, my name is Princess Justice. If you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Today is I'm going to talk about my locs. You guys are getting the before effect before you guys see my retwist. So I'm just gonna go into the changes that I have been noticing. One of the changes that I have been noticing is a lot of new growth. That is very, very good for when you're starting your locs, that you have a lot of new growth. Also, what I noticed with the two-strand twists, especially in the back, they tend to unravel a lot, so I always have to go back in and retwist them. Once I began like palm rolling and the palm roll actually holds, I believe that I won't have to go in and retwist them again. I would say I'll give myself probably like to the 4th or 5th month where I won't have to mess with the back of my locs anymore and have to retwist them as often as I've been doing, because like I said, they unravel a lot, and I think that's one of the cons of having two-strand twist locs. The back is always unraveling. The front is never an issue, it's just always the back. So those are the changes that I have been noticing. The little ball that you guys seen when I did my starter locs video, that ball, I don't know where it went. It's just like completely gone, like it's not even there anymore. I don't know if it fell out on its own or if it just kind of went into the loc rather quickly than I expected. But whatever happened to it, it happened. And now we're gonna go ahead and get into the retwist. So I'm back and I just wanted to show you guys the retwist that I got done by my mother. She retwisted it last night, so this is the next day. So yeah, she basically used the ORS twisting gel to retwist it, and of course there is shrinkage. I don't believe you guys will see growth until about 4 or 5 months, give or take. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'll do it up close for you guys, and then I'm gonna do a 360. Today is my 1 month locked, and I'm super proud of myself. Like I said in my previous lock video, this journey is kind of different because I'm just letting my hair do what it do. I'm not touching it or anything like that. So let's get into some of the changes that I have experienced in 1 month. As you guys seen from the previous clip, there was a lot of unraveling going on until I had gotten the retwist. So since I've gotten the retwist, the back no longer unravels itself. It's starting to do a little something rather quickly. Like, that's a shock to me, because when I had my contour twist, they didn't unravel at all. So it only took a month for the locs in the back not to unravel, which, like I said, I'm super happy about. And also, I'm experiencing a lot of frizziness quickly than I was the first time around. And so to my mother's suggestion, I have been wearing headbands to kind of hide that frizziness. Stretch, if I stretch it, I do have length. There is a minor change, like some of my locks are already locking within the 1 month process. A lot of them are matting together too, so I have to separate them because I do not want semi-freeform locks and I don't want freeform locks. I want them to be uniform as humanly and as much as possible. So yeah, I'm very proud of myself that I made it to 1 month, and I'll see you guys on month 2. So let me do a 360 for you guys. Any questions pertaining to locs, please go down in the comments down below and I will answer them for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Also, if you guys can please give me some video ideas, that would be greatly appreciated, because I want to make sure that I keep up with my weekly content of Monday and Friday videos. Okay? And like I said before, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.
I'm a Northeast baby, bitch, I swam too cold. I got 3 different numbers like an area code. I don't shop with these niggas cause they selling they soul.